What's up guys, and welcome to another speed test comparison between the Redmi 10 and Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite. As in this video we are going to find out which is faster and which is best for gaming in 2021 between these two devices. As Redmi Note 10 is a latest mid-range smartphone on which we have got quad camera setup with MediaTek Helio G88 chip along with 6 GB of RAM. So let's find out which one of them is going to perform better than the other one. And as always, starting from the boot up test, so here we go. Now let's see which one of them is gonna perform better than the other one. As I told you, on the Redmi 10 we have got G88 chip and 6 GB of RAM, while on the Mi 11 Lite we have got Snapdragon 732G chip and 6 GB of RAM, but it is expensive than the Redmi 10. So let's see. And both are taking some time. Also, both are running on their updated software, which is the MIUI 12.5. and you can see the first boot up test phone by the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite and followed by the Redmi 10, and I think it was about 2-second difference between both smartphones while booting up. Okay, so now before starting the test, I would like to confirm that both are running on their updated software as I told you before, and also both are 6GB variant. Other than that, both are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection, and also everything is completely turned off on the background. So starting from some light applications, and here we go. And you can see this one goes to the Mi 11 Lite messages, and again it was quicker there on the right side camera. And you can see the difference is very clear till now. The Mi 11 Lite is just beating the Redmi 10 in every single application. Now coming to third-party applications and some heavier stuff, so let's see how the Redmi 10 is gonna perform against the Mi 11 Lite. welcome back. So it was a speed test comparison between the Redmi 10 and the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite, and as you guys saw here, the gaming performance of both devices. Now according to this test, the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite has killed the Redmi 10 in every single application because of its updated chip, which is Snapdragon 732G. Thanks to it, though it is a bit expensive, but it is worth to buy against the Redmi 10. But at the end, you guys are here to judge, so I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section about this test. Okay, so it was all from us for today. Just make sure to subscribe my channel and give thumbs up to this video. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep supporting us.